additional light attack. Power of skill and incantation. Annihilate foes with a pillar of light. Mikula sought to accept all that was and would be, but found that refused to be erased. No the world. No wonder. As one god and one king consort is all the world believes.
Huh?
I should buy the swords though. Yeah, I can do this. But I'll buy Lord. Sounded more interesting anyway. Young lion.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Huh?
Okay, let's buy it. I'm sure I have something.
Huh?
Well, what is it? What am I looking for? Helm. Young lion's helm. I defeated Fake is late. Fake it on It's a very heavy armor, it would appear. Which makes sense. Oh wow, it looks amazing. I love it. It looks so cool.
No, 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 no.
The golden armor was by Dawn in his younger years. Proudly adored his It is fitting to When Renala, blade of Mikula, let the rock flower blossom in Aeonia. Radon heard a murmur in his ear. Mikula awaits thee, O promised consort. I mean Melania. I'm sorry. I read Melania, but I said Renala? Sorry. When Melania, blade of Mikula, let the rock flower blossom in Aeonia. And Radon heard a murmur in his ear. That means that Melania killed Radon on purpose? So that he will become a zombie to...
Oh no!
Tried to. Yeah, we did it in the end. We did it. Holy smokes. That's why she went against Radon, or that's why she fought Radon, because she wanted to kill him. Interesting. Radon would never willingly lose or die. The whisper she said to him in the first trailer. Bruh, can someone link the first trailer?
You were.
Ayo panggil.
But it's gay.
What intonation?
There, he's doing it. She did it there. Awesome. She didn't kill her dog, but she tried to. Okay.
Oj, 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 oj.